Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a great start to your Thursday. It's a beautiful start out there across the state line as we take a live look at a Mercy Health SkyTrack camera this morning over downtown Rockford. Sun-filled skies this morning, maybe a few passing clouds, but temperatures once again did drop down into the mid to upper 50s in most locations. Now, here in Rockford, we're sitting at 60 degrees in Rochelle, 59 up in Janesville, 57 in Monroe, 59 in Savannah, and 63 as well down in Sterling. Now, there were a few pop-up showers overnight last night in southwest Wisconsin and eastern Iowa, but they did dissipate as they made their way into the state line. So we're just starting off with a few passing clouds, nothing really weather-related that's going to be slowing anybody down if you're out there for the morning commute. So plenty of sunshine to start. We're actually going to see a pretty dry day ahead of us as we're in between two systems right now. The one that did bring that cold front earlier this week is now to our northeast, and this one is the one we have to keep an eye on for the upcoming days. That warm front that you see there that's stretched across the central plains is going to be passing through overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So the humidity is going to go up for tomorrow and also our temperatures. But that cold front behind it is going to be the reason why we see severe weather for our afternoon and evening tomorrow. But this afternoon and evening looking very pleasant out there. We do have highs in the low 80s, so we're going to be slightly warmer this afternoon, but the humidity isn't going to be an issue. So a great day for outdoor activity. So let's take a look at that using Futurecast. We are starting off mostly sunny. We'll stay mostly sunny into the early afternoon. I do think a few more clouds, those fair weather cumulus clouds, will start to fill our skies, turning our skies a little partly sunny for the rest of our day, but temperatures in the low 80s making for a nice and comfortable afternoon and evening. One more day with comfortable humidity before we see that uptick in humidity starting tomorrow, and that's with that warm front that's going to be moving through tomorrow morning. You can see a couple of isolated showers building along that warm front as it moves into the state line just after sunrise tomorrow morning. But the threat that we are watching is with that cold front that you see that starts to make a line of thunderstorms. You can see that moving into the state line after 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is what we call an MCS, or a mesoscale convective system. And typically with these systems, you have heavy rainfall and also gusty winds. Damaging wind gusts is definitely going to be a high threat with this system as it makes its way through the state line between 4 and 9 o'clock. Once it's through the state line, we'll see quiet conditions as we head into Saturday morning. And with that severe threat, we do have a slight risk for severe weather, and that's level 2 of 5 in the categories for severe weather that stretches from eastern Iowa all the way into the central Great Lakes. So what you need to know for tomorrow is that slight risk does carry a chance for scattered strong to severe storms from 4 o'clock till 10 o'clock tomorrow night. The main threats are going to be damaging winds, large hail, but once that congeals into a line, we're going to see that damaging wind threat and also heavy downpour threat at its highest. Now, as we go into Saturday, we'll start off with quiet conditions, but keep a chance for scattered thunderstorms with highs in the upper 80s. We do quiet down for Sunday, but we do warm back up into the upper 80s once again for Monday and Tuesday. Back to you.
All right, 7:15 right now. A new worry on the president's mind this morning ahead of election season, the fraudulent activity that he's warning of and why experts